Just want to start off by saying if you are following GME, check out the description down below. I have my Twitch stream there. The moment you see GameStop climb up, possibly like 10, 20, 30, 40% in a single day, I will be live streaming GameStop immediately. So if you want to stay tuned for the live stream in case that does happen in advance, you can follow our Twitch, link down below in the description. Twitch, for my Twitch, that's where I'll be live streaming. All right, I don't really live stream on YouTube. I may consider that in the future, but I'm gonna go over GME right now with you guys. Just letting you know ahead of time, you can follow me on Twitch and get a notification when I turn on my live stream there. Okay, so GME currently at $25. I made a video just this morning mentioning that we are going to see potentially upside move for GME. I believe we have bottomed out here at 23.44, and the overall market is coming back up right now. You're seeing a lot of stocks on the left side here having a revive, in my opinion. And now I don't think this is a dead cat bounce. I actually think this is going to be a really good recovery for a majority of the stocks. GME here currently at an oversold state. I really think we should be able to see a reversal back up towards 26.35 resistance. Look to see if we can break above it as well. If we're comparing our current price to 26.35, that is approximately, let's go ahead and measure the move here, approximately a 5% move towards the top side. That's definitely something to keep an eye out for. Say you hypothetically missed out an entry on GME. I do have a longer prediction dated out from 26.35 all the way to 34.40. I do think we're going to get that retest of our recent high here, which occurred right around in January 2025. A test towards 34.50 is going to be about a 30% move on the stock itself, and this is comparing prices from 26.35. Okay, currently today we're at $25. Now for the biggest prediction I have, this is just my personal opinion, and I do think we're going to get a test towards this level, $40, right? From 26.35, this is going to be a 55% move. Do I think this is going to happen? In my opinion, yes. Do I know when? I don't know exactly when, but I feel like the bottom here is already implied, right? We already have the bottom here. See how we have bounces here on this current line of support here? 1, 2, and here's our third test, right? So this third test, I believe, confirms it as a support. We should be able to see that reversal back up towards the top side. Now on a bounce towards the top side, that's where I'm looking for these potential spikes towards the top side. So I believe 35 and I believe 40 will be tested. We're just going to have to see when this occurs. If I had to make a personal prediction, I believe within the next 30 to 60 days, I would definitely keep an eye out for a big move for GME toward the top side. Of course, I could be wrong. It could occur a lot sooner or later, right? But it's definitely something to keep an eye out for in terms of a move back up for GME. I'm going out to the weekly chart now. You can see we had a high of 64.83. I'm not entirely too sure if we'll see those levels again. There's definitely a lot of selling pressures up towards those levels, so I'd be very cautious in case of there is a big spike up and then a big spike back down. 34.50 here I think is a minimal price target in my opinion. $40 medium price target, and for a higher risk price target, be very cautious of selling pressure closer towards 46.50 and then 60.70. Closer towards 64.83 there, gonna see a lot of potentially selling pressure, okay? If you haven't yet, highly recommend joining the Discord, link down below in the description. Over 32,000 members there. It's free to join. You can share your due diligence. There's no like hype, there's no BS, no one telling each other buy, sell, or hold. Just people sharing their own personal opinions. If that's something you're interested in, realistic discussions on stocks and economics, you can join our Discord for free. Link down below in the description, okay? We have over 20 analysts sharing live entries and exits for short-term and long-term trade ideas, both stocks and options. If that's something you're interested in, join the Patreon down below. We do have a discount. Highly recommend joining at the discount since it's a permanent discount celebrating our 5-year anniversary at Bullish Raid. All the members right now are joining over onto the discount, so if you are new, highly recommend checking out the Patreon link down below, okay? Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video for GME, especially once we're towards $30 resistance, and then also our short-term test here at 26.35 should be seen here pretty soon in my opinion.